Have you ever wondered how to make that special woman think about you all the time? Today, I'm revealing powerful secrets to make her miss you deeply. Stick around until the end because the final step will transform the way she sees you. First step, give her something to remember you. Gift her something meaningful, a book she's been wanting to read, a unique accessory, or a thoughtful memento. Every time she sees it, she'll think of you. Imagine her smiling at that book on her shelf, replaying the moments you shared. This simple act keeps you present in her life even when you're apart. Pro tip, choose something that reflects her personality or interests. It shows you're paying attention. Second step, take care of your appearance. Invest in yourself. Wear a signature scent, dress sharply, and maintain impeccable grooming. When you're around her, your scent and style will linger in her mind long after you've left. She'll notice how you stand out in a crowd, making you unforgettable. Pro tip, confidence comes from feeling good about yourself. When you look your best, you'll naturally leave a lasting impression. Third step, create unique, memorable moments. Plan experiences that stand out, like a candlelit dinner, a surprise day trip, or an unexpected gift. Picture this, the two of you laughing and bonding over an unforgettable adventure. These special moments become stories she replays over and over, cementing you in her thoughts. Pro tip, focus on quality, not quantity. A single meaningful experience can leave a bigger impact than countless routine interactions. Fourth step, make her feel your absence. Don't always be available. Give her the chance to miss you. When you're not constantly texting or hanging around, she starts to realize how much she values your presence. Picture her glancing at her phone, wondering why you haven't messaged yet, and thinking about you more with every moment of silence. Pro tip, balance is key. Create space without completely disappearing. Fifth step, be consistently thoughtful. Before you step back, build a strong foundation. Be attentive, caring, and consistent in creating positive interactions. This way, when you give her space, she'll miss the happiness you bring to her life. Pro tip, gradual distance works better than abrupt withdrawal. It ensures she sees your absence as a loss, not a rejection. Sixth step, be a memorable presence. Show her your value through your words and actions. Have meaningful conversations, give sound advice, and share moments of laughter. Imagine her replaying your words of wisdom or jokes that made her laugh uncontrollably. You'll become someone she looks up to and wants in her life. Pro tip, confidence and empathy make you not just memorable, but irreplaceable. Seventh step, stand out with creativity. Do things no one else would. Write her a heartfelt note, create a playlist of songs that remind you of her or surprise her with something unique. These gestures set you apart, making you unforgettable. Pro tip, creativity doesn't have to be grand. It's the thoughtfulness behind the act that leaves the biggest impression. Eighth step, invest in yourself. Work on personal growth, both inside and out. Take up hobbies, hit the gym, or learn new skills. When she sees your confidence and dedication, she'll find you even more attractive. Pro tip, passion and self-improvement are magnetic. Show her you're constantly evolving. Ninth step, use emotional memories. Create experiences she's never had before. Introduce her to new places, songs, or ideas. These emotional memories will tie her feelings of excitement and joy to you. Pro tip, the more unique the experience, the more likely she'll think of you whenever she recalls those moments. 10th step, build mystery and anticipation. Leave interactions open-ended. End a great conversation with, "I'll tell you the rest next time," or hint at a surprise. This keeps you in her mind as she wonders about the next interaction. Pro tip, anticipation keeps the connection alive. She'll look forward to every moment with you. 11th step, foster genuine connection. Show real interest in her dreams, fears, and passions. Ask meaningful questions and listen attentively. When she feels truly understood, she'll naturally think of you as someone special and irreplaceable. Pro tip, genuine connection builds emotional depth that she'll cherish and think about often. 12th step, be predictably great but unpredictably fun. Be consistent in your kindness and attention, but sprinkle in surprises. Maybe it's a spontaneous adventure or an unexpected gift. This combination of reliability and excitement keeps her engaged and thinking about you. Pro tip, Make her feel secure while still adding elements of surprise. It's the perfect balance. What's next? You might be asking yourself, how do I apply this in my life? The answer is simple. Start now. Focus on self-improvement. Be authentic in your actions. Create meaningful moments that make her think of you. Final thought. Don't let fear or self-doubt stop you from taking action. With these steps, you'll create an unforgettable presence in her life, making her miss you and value the connection you share. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. More valuable content is on the way to help you build stronger, more meaningful relationships. See you next time.